The XP Pen 15.6-inch drawing tablet with Screen Artist 15.6 Pro revolutionizes digital artistry with its cutting-edge features. Boasting 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 120% sRGB color gamut. There are many products available to choose drawing tablets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawing tablets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Z Pen Artist 22 Plus Drawing Tablet with Screen. Experience boundless creativity with this Pen Artist 22 Plus Drawing Tablet with Screen. Boasting a spacious 21.5-inch canvas and a 16:9 screen ratio, this 22-inch drawing display provides an immersive sensation without buttons or slits, delivering maximum clarity at 1920x1080 high resolution. The all-new X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus features an industry-first 16K pressure levels, enabling the smoothest and most precise lines ever, perfect for hyper-nuanced creations. Revel in vibrant colors and unparalleled precision with a wide color gamut of 130% sRGB, 8-bit color depth, and 16.7 million colors, making it ideal for demanding display needs in various scenarios. Moreover, the Artist 22 Plus doubles as more than just a drawing display. It serves as a versatile entertainment hub, allowing you to extend or project contents for an expansive viewing experience. Compatible with a wide range of operating systems and popular digital art software, including Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, this tablet opens up endless possibilities for your creative endeavors. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Z Pen Artist 22 Plus sets the standard for professional-grade digital art tablets. Number 2. Z Pen Drawing Tablet with Screen. Introducing the Z Pen Drawing Tablet with Screen, a revolutionary tool for artists and designers seeking precision and versatility. Boasting a fully laminated screen, the Artist 13.3 Pro offers a seamless workspace with minimal parallax, ensuring distraction-free creativity. With tilt functionality of up to 60 degrees, effortlessly add shading and nuance to your artwork for more natural transitions. Experience vibrant colors and rich details on the 13.3-inch FHD display, featuring a high color gamut of 123% sRGB and 88% NTSC. Enhance your workflow with the sleek red dial interface and 8 customizable shortcut keys, empowering you to express ideas swiftly and efficiently. Compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, and Chrome OS, as well as popular design software like Photoshop and Illustrator. The Z Pen Artist 13.3 Pro is designed to adapt to your creative needs seamlessly. Elevate your digital artistry with the Z Pen Drawing Tablet with Screen, where precision meets creativity. Number 3. Z Pen 15.6-inch Drawing Tablet with Screen. Artist XP Pen 15.6-inch Drawing Tablet with Screen. Artist 15.6 Pro revolutionizes digital artistry with its cutting-edge features. Boasting 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 120% sRGB color gamut, it delivers unparalleled precision and vividness, ensuring your creations pop with lifelike vibrancy. Equipped with 8 fully customizable express keys and tilt support of up to 60 degrees, it offers intuitive control and natural brush-like strokes for seamless workflow and artistic expression. Its sleek design, featuring a slim 11mm profile and a fully laminated screen, creates a distraction-free workspace that's gentle on the eyes, while the 1920x1080p Full HD resolution brings your artwork to life with stunning clarity. Ideal for digital drawing, painting, online teaching, and photo editing, it seamlessly integrates with Windows and macOS systems. Ensure optimal performance by following the connection and driver installation tips provided, and unlock your artistic potential with the XP Pen 15.6-inch Drawing Tablet with Screen. Artist 15.6 Pro. Number 4. Picasso Tab XL Drawing Tablet. Introducing the Picasso Tab XL Drawing Tablet, a groundbreaking tool designed to unleash your artistic potential without the need for a computer. With its generous 11.6 screen, this standalone tablet provides ample space for your creativity to flourish, whether you're sketching in the park or commuting on a bus. Ideal for beginners, the Picasso Tab XL comes fully equipped with essential accessories, including a pressure-sensitive stylus pen and pre-installed drawing apps like Concepts and Infinite Painter. Not only does it offer a larger screen for enhanced detail, but its 64GB storage ensures you can save all your masterpieces and download countless apps from the Play Store. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and Android OS, you can enjoy your favorite entertainment wherever you go, whether it's streaming Netflix or playing games. Backed by certifications from GMS, FCC, and C, along with a 1-year warranty, the Picasso Tab XL guarantees quality and peace of mind. Elevate your digital artistry with the Picasso Tab XL Drawing Tablet, the perfect blend of innovation and creativity. Number 5. ZBen Artist Pro 14G N2 Drawing Tablet. Introducing the ZBen Artist Pro 14G N2 Drawing Tablet, a cutting-edge tool for digital artists and designers. Featuring a 14-inch full laminated anti-glare screen with 16K pressure levels, this tablet offers unparalleled precision and smoothness in drawing. With 99% sRGB color gamut coverage and 123% sRGB color gamut area ratio, it ensures stunning color accuracy and detail, bringing your creations to life. The tablet comes equipped with a foldable stand for customizable working postures, a wireless shortcut remote for easy access to functions, and an ergonomic X-Edge wrist rest to combat wrist fatigue. Its strong compatibility with various operating systems and digital art software expands your creative possibilities. Switching from display to tablet mode is seamless, with just a long press of the power button. Awarded the Good Design Award 2023, the ZBen Artist Pro 14G N2 is a game-changer in the digital art world. With a 2-year warranty for peace of mind and included 3-in-1 cable, this tablet is a must-have for any digital artist. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more